So how many of you have successfully rolled the edge of your cinnamon? So how many of you have successfully rolled the edge of your cinnamon? This I tried first of all spraying water. It wasn't rolling and staying at all. I tried spraying water and using the glue gun. That's the one that gave this part. But this part is the part that looks more solid. So let me show you what I did. So the first, this is 18 by 18, and I cut out this part was what I took out from here. So if we measure it, it should be like 2.5 thereabouts, 2.5 inches. So I'm going to do another one. Okay, I'm going to take another bias. You must cut it at the bias. So I'm going to cut again at this bias. Let's take it this way, 2.5. That's around here. Okay.
If you're new to the Vent channel, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on any of my lovely, unique trainings and designs. Oh, come on. Please do just click pause on this video and take the few seconds and click the subscribe button. Thank you.
And I cut. Okay. And I stretch it. I take the glue. It will roll back and forth. Sometimes you almost like have to fold it, take it back and roll. I've tried this for years and I just finally got it. So don't worry, you get the hold of it. If it doesn't go, you push it back, then roll. Push it back, roll. So you have to pardon me. Yes. And I got how to make it neat. So you put glue further off, not on the whole of it. And you roll. Then you stretch. Just need to going off. Let me concentrate. It needs my concentration.